Today, we're going to be talking about meal prepping. Meal Prep 101. That's what we're going to be doing today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and this is Elizabeth Inspires. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm the month of January in my channel. I'm going to be focusing on fitness, health, wellness, and no, I'm not a professional, but I am a fitness enthusiast and I have researched a lot of things. I've learned a lot throughout all of these years, and I've also, if you guys haven't already checked out my last video, I recently lost 20 pounds. So I know this is the season where everybody wants to start over fresh. A lot of people want to lose weight and some people don't know how to get started. So I'm going to be sharing a couple videos with you guys on how I get started, how I get back on track, how I meal prep, how I plan my workouts, and how I stay motivated. So if you guys are interested in any of that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So today we're going to be talking about meal prepping. Meal Prep 101. I got you. Remember I told you I got you. Here I am. I got you. So today specifically, I'm only going to be sharing with you guys my first week's meal plan, which is the meal plan from last week. So what I'm going to be sharing with you guys is my meal prep from my first week of my New Year, New Me challenge. If you guys don't know what that is, on Instagram, I started a New Year, New Me challenge for 2021. If you're interested in joining, please follow me on Instagram. On there, I created a group chat so that we can all motivate each other to work out every single day. Me challenge consists of eating well, working out every single day for at least 30 minutes a day, and just staying consistent, staying motivated, drinking a lot of water. And if you need a little extra motivation, follow me on Instagram and I will be there to motivate you and push you along through your journey. So yeah, that's what I'm doing on my Instagram page. So a lot of people have been asking me, how do I stay consistent? How do I stay motivated? And how I stay focused? And this is the key. The key is meal prepping. Everybody's meal preps differently. Some people meal prep for a week, some people meal prep for a few days. This all depends on your own personal preference. For me, I like to meal prep for no more than 3 to 4 days because I don't want my food to go bad and I would rather eat my food fresh. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing tips on how I meal prep from the beginning to the end, how I plan my meals, where I get my inspiration for my meals. I'll show you guys how I prep it and put it away in containers and all of that good stuff. I feel like what I'm going to show you guys will for any person, whether you're trying to lose weight or gain weight. If there's anything that I want you to take out of this video, if you guys don't go to the end of the video, if there's anything I want you to take out this video, is the importance of planning. It's very important to plan, because if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail, and that's so true. So let's get into the video. I'm going to give you guys 4 simple tips on how to meal prep and how to plan your meals. Okay? The first thing I do to meal prep before I even start meal prepping is meal plan. Plan your meals. This is so important, especially when you have a specific goal, whether you want to lose weight or gain weight. You have to know the exact amount of food that you're supposed to be eating per day and exactly what you are supposed to be eating, period. So for me in this challenge, I am trying to lose weight and I'm focusing on a low carb diet. I've tried many diets that have not worked for me in the past. I feel like the low carb diet is the most helpful for me right now because I need to cut carbs in order to lose weight. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I plan my low carb meals. What I like to do is I like to go on Pinterest for ideas for different meals, or I will also look at my weekly ads for my local supermarket to see what kind of produce is available so that I get kind of an idea of the meals that I can create with those produce. So this is how I plan out my meals. I literally take out a notebook, pen and paper. Some people like to use their laptop. You can do it on your laptop. You can do a PowerPoint. You can do whatever you like. But I like to use a paper and pen. And I would literally, I'll say, I usually don't plan for more than 3 days. This week, I'm doing a 3-day detox. So I decided to just plan for those 3-day detox. And then for the other 4 days of the week, I'm just going to eat the same thing. So I'm going to plan for 4 days and I'm going to detox for 3 days. Detox is very good because you get to reset your body. After the holidays, I was eating good and all of that good stuff. So it's good to detox and restart your metabolism, restart everything in your body. So after you figure out kind of what you're in the mood for, how many days you're going to cook for and exactly what you want to make for your meal prep, make a meal plan. So what I mean by meal plan is essentially what I did right here. So I said, here we go. I got, Monday through Wednesday, I'm going to be detoxing. So this is what I'm going to do. For breakfast, I'm going to have this smoothie. For lunch, I'm going to have this smoothie. For dinner, I'm going to have this smoothie. If I'm hungry and I want a snack, any apples or bananas, some fruits or raw vegetables are good to snack on. And then for Thursday to Sunday, I have these meals. I have my breakfast, lunch, dinner, my snacks, and I'll get into all of that stuff in a little bit when I get into the meal prepping. But so I like to plan out my meals so that I know exactly what I'm going to make for each day. And this is actually going to help you when you're writing down your grocery list, which is actually the next step. Make a grocery list. It is so important to make a grocery list because sometimes, and then wait, before I talk about grocery lists, before you go grocery shopping, please make sure you eat. Because the last thing you want to do is be at the supermarket hungry, and then you're going to want to pick up all these random things that you didn't go there for. So when you make a grocery list, stick to your grocery list and, make sure you're not hungry so that you won't pick up random things in the grocery store. So make a grocery list. It helps you. If you make a grocery list, you stick to your list, you get in, you get out. You not only save time in the supermarket, but you also stick to your plan, stick to your meal prep, and there you go. Boom. Another way to stay consistent. Okay, after you make a grocery list, of course, you have to go buy all the groceries. Now, we get to the fun stuff. Meal prepping. Meal prepping. So I recommend, and I will link down below a few of the Tupperwares that I have purchased in the past. I recommend that you get a few containers, some small ones and big ones, so that you can obviously prep your meals and store them in the fridge. So I kind of want to get into a little more detail about meal prepping because you don't want to waste food. This is why I say sometimes I only prep 3 to 4 meals. The thing that I like to do is if it's something like seafood, I will prep it up, I will season it, but I will not cook it, because I want to eat it fresh. And I won't keep it in the fridge for more than 2 days. So let's say I have extra and it's more than 2 days worth, I'll just put it in the freezer. The day before I have to cook it, I'll bring it down and then I'll cook it up so that it won't go bad. So that's a little tip for you guys. Also, keep in mind that you want to prep foods that you know that you're going to eat so that you won't waste your food. Another thing, I do not prep my breakfast. The reason why I don't prep my breakfast is because some days, I know this is bad, I wake up and I don't even feel like eating breakfast. I'll grab an apple or maybe make a smoothie that's faster, quick and easy. So you don't really necessarily have to prep that. But some mornings I'm in the mood for eggs, bacon, all the good stuff. So, I like to just cook it. I mean, people prep their breakfast. Some people prep like overnight oats in the fridge, stuff like that. But that's not me. So I only prep my lunch, my dinner, and my snacks. Everybody has different meal prepping styles. I'm just showing you guys my meal prepping methods and how I do it, and it has been working for me. I like to do it the most easiest way, but I also like to eat flavorful food. I don't like bland food. I don't like boring food. If I'm going to be eating the same thing for 3 days, I want it to taste really good for 3 days. I want to eat it for 3 days. I like to prep foods that are yummy and that I'm gonna enjoy eating like over and over again, and that are easy to make, easy to reheat. So yeah, let me show you guys what I made this week and how I prepped it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will also be posting my meal plan and my meal prep and my grocery list on my website. If you guys want to check that out, it's in the description box below.
Oh, y'all look good. I want you to look at something right now. Think of some major goal you want, or maybe it's one you're already working on and you have experienced a lot of setbacks, a lot of defeats. You've experienced a lot of disappointment. Maybe you've already given up. And maybe you just need a little fire, a little encouragement to get back in the game again. Here's what I want you to look at. There are winners, and there are losers, and there are people who have not discovered how to win. And all they need is some coaching. All they need is some help and assistance, just a little support. All they need is some insight or a different strategy, a plan of action to make some adjustments that will open up the key to a whole new future for them, that will give them access to the unlimited power that they have within themselves. That's all that they need. So what I want you to do is think about something you want for you, that's real for you, that's important for you, that will give your life some special meaning and power. And I don't even want you to say, I can do that. I don't want you to assume that. See, 5 years ago when I started out in this area, I would not have been able to make the mental leap that I would be up to where I am right now. I don't want you to begin to just psych yourself out. No. I want you to be able to say something to yourself that will enable you to maintain a level of integrity with yourself. That when you say this, even when you face tremendous setbacks, it will be a benchmark to keep you in the game, to keep you moving forward and experimenting and readjusting your strategy and your plan of action, continuously looking for ways to win. So what is that something? When you got an idea you want to move on, you might not have the money, you might not have the education, you might not have the support or the resources you need. What is that something that can keep us going, that will enable us to act on our dream? What's one of those keys that will begin to help us to discover? Here's what I want you to repeat after me, please, with power and conviction. Say, it's possible. It's possible. That's all I want you to do when you look at your dream. Just say to yourself every day, it's possible. Just say that every day to yourself, it's possible. Because what does that do? See, it begins to change your belief system. See, the way in which we operate, ladies and gentlemen, it's a manifestation of what we believe, what's possible for us.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something and you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you guys are interested in joining the challenge, Just follow me on Instagram at ElizabethInspires. And if you guys have any questions for me, don't hesitate to reach out. Leave it in the comment below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have so many videos coming up that you do not want to miss. That's going to help motivate you through this journey. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.